your boy Tech SRT coming to you guys with another video on the 2020 Corvette Stingray C8. Basically, when they first announced, I know I put that out there with the new car, which when I'm definitely I put a reservation in. I'm going to be doing a video with me going down, showing paperwork and everything for the reservation. You will see that soon. Basically right here we're going to try to spec out what I want to look for in my C8 Corvette. I know this is an SRT channel. Basically, I love anything fast, so road, street race, tech, pretty much that's what I'm gonna call it, but I know it's called something else because it's street, road, and track. Basically I'm out here making this video because this is something I've been looking for. I've always been a Chevy person, just wanted to get into this. Always loved Corvettes. Really was in Impalas that they stopped making them. Camaros, I love them too, but this body style looks similar to the Camaro in the rear end. So I'm going to be showing a colorway I'm looking for, and then I'm gonna just put some stuff on here just to show you guys. Excuse the quality because they don't make it look pretty good. You can't see too much, but you guys, I'm gonna just go ahead and we're gonna get right into it. So basically we're gonna just get the colors. I'm just gonna compare the colors that we have. I have the transparent roof because that's one of the ones I want to look at. So I like the dark color wheels, but this style right here, this white, it looked pretty good with the stripes. I put the stripes through it. This right now got the headlights on. Let me see if I turn them on. You can turn the headlights off, but this would it look like with just the stripes going across the front end. And I did the blue and black interior because that's my favorite color. I'm not really big on white cars, but let's see if we can go on top of the roof. But you can see, the sticker there, and you can see the engine. I'm gonna get into the interior a little bit here, but we're going to just see. A lot of people said they didn't really like the wing, the way it looked on there, but this tall wing, because that is an option. The way I'm gonna spec mine out is not gonna have no wing or anything because I want to do everything myself. I pretty much want to get like a base model. But I want the engine spec to be nice, but I could always upgrade. Like I said, I want to do everything on an upgrade. I don't want to pay their prices for upgrading my stuff, and I can get all this stuff for probably like a cheaper price. It's just the point is I want to spec this out, do everything like the way I would like to have it, aftermarket mods and everything else, and take this to the track and we're gonna race it. That's one thing I wanted to do. So if y'all want to see that, smash that like button, subscribe. And then if y'all want to see me pick this up and take it to the track, so I definitely will show a video on that, me pre-ordering it. But this right here is just the white version with the wing. I actually put that wing on there. I just was playing with it. But this is like the red they have. This color I seen at the I seen it at the press. I looked at it, and this color is actually pretty growing on me. I think I seen a couple of these colors on GM car. I forgot what it's. Let me see what this color is called. That's what it's called, bronze metallic. So this would look good. Like I said before, they don't like 3D option and everything else. It don't look too good. So you can't really see too much, but you can see the colors. But I know, I want to go to a solid color where you can really see it. Now there's an orange I really like. This orange color, I don't know why, but it looked pretty good on this car with the black rims and the stripes in that wing. I'm not really big on orange, but that's what it looked like with orange. But I'm gonna just spec this thing out right now the way I want it. So you guys, you go on their website and spec it out the way you want it. If you're buying, leave a comment, say, hey, I pre-ordered, or hey, I'm definitely buying when it comes out. But it's out of this blue or this blue here. But I like this blue better. But I'm going with the transparent roof. I like that. I mean, I could go carbon fiber, but I'm more into that transparent. I want to see up in the sky, especially I want to be able to, mount my GoPro sticky part on there. Now the rims I picked was here. I know I could go solid black here with the tires here, but you guys tell me what your thoughts. Do you like? Which one do you like? Let me see if I like these ones. Because to be honest with you, I don't really care what rims comes on these because I am going to put aftermarket rims on this, but I went with the I don't know if I want to do that. I don't know. Now there's a Z51 package. I'm not going to go that route because I don't want the Z51 package. There is a package where it's like fully loaded. I don't want, like I said before, I'm going to spec this out the way I want it. I'm not going to want this. But I'll probably go with these tires because I want something a little dark. Let me see. We can come over here. The calipers. I was thinking what color. I might just go black and just paint on my own color, what I want. Because I'm not really big on the red and I got that blue interior. Maybe I might do these calipers blue. I don't know. You guys leave a comment below what y'all think. But I'm going to leave it yellow for now. Because I kind of like that access color. So we're going to go with the interior, you know, exterior. So you could go chrome star here. I'm going to try and pull this in the front. Let me see if I can just go in the front. Alright, so you can do chrome in the front here, or you can just do regular black. I'm actually going to keep that regular black. Now you have options to change the colors on the side. Now this come with, you know, carbon, or you could do straight. Oh, excuse me, we went too far. We can do straight color accent, you know, same color as the car. Let's get here. Now these are going to turn the same color of the car, and the body side is going to be the same color of the car. Oh, this thing is moving fast. So you can get that experience of what the body of the car going to look like. So this part access is going to be straight white. I mean straight color of the car, but I like the car to have a nice performance on it. So let me see. Let me take this off. Let's see. We might do that, or I might just do straight body color and then do everything later, where I put aftermarket things on it. So basically, we're just going to go body color straight here, because I know it's extra for carbon. I'm specking this out the way I want to spec it. Now I do like this spoiler here. So I'm gonna put that wing on, but I am gonna have this without the wing, with that wing. So like I said before, and then what we're gonna do is gonna get the carbon fiber side, or we're gonna just do, you know, basically this, you know, that part here. So I am going natural. I'm not having no aftermarket part here. I do that myself. The wing, I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like with the wing when I'm done with it. But basically, I took my engine to be this colorway. So basically, like, I can have this colorway with the red. Let me see if it goes. Yeah, it did it. So I could have red on red, or do this with this. With Lada? No, I want Lada. Engine black with red, or go red with this. So you guys tell me, you know, because to be honest with you, I might just go gray. And then probably do some aftermarket things later. Let me see. I might not even do no colorway part. I'm gonna just keep it that way, and I'll probably do the accents later. Actually, I like this kind of this accent. I like that. Now here, this is where you can put the stripes the way you want them, or you could put it full carbon fiber. So I might just do carbon fiber on it. You could do the sides parts. So, and then you got the seat, interior seats. To be honest with you, you want to go with seats, like the interior seats. There are 3 different colors. If you want to get that blue accent seats, I went to the 3 seats, but I might go with the 1, because you could go with the interior seats with the 1 and get still red, gray, or what's it called, but the LT2 seats you still could get 2 different colors. I love this black with peanut butter, but I'm going to show you guys what I like in this seat. So I do like this seat, and so we're going to go with the colors here. So you got basic black, red, you know, or you could go with, you know, this type of red, this type of, you could go with this color, white with this in there, but me, I love this 2-tone color. It's going to drop down and go inside. I'm going to show, let me see if I go here. Yeah, so You could do a lot of interior things in here, but interior colors is just basically, I want this trim here. This blue and black interior, this is what I'm looking for. You guys give me your thoughts, what y'all feel about it. Do y'all feel that you like that black and blue interior, or should you actually just go solid black? Let's go with the base. You know, and this is glass back here, so you guys, that y'all won't get the heat from the engine here. So all that would be rising out through the back, but that was one of the things I was looking at. I was like, oh, I love this interior with the black with blue. But like I said before, I'm not trying to go too crazy. But material seats, you can get any type of seats. You know, the competition, that's basically the Z51. And then you got here where you get, you know, the way the trim is, you know. I'm not going to change that because that's what I want. But we're going to go straight exterior out. This is what I want my car to look like right here. This is the full spec, what I'm looking for mine. Like I said, the aftermarket stuff I would do myself, but I like it with the wing, the stripe, and I might not even do the stripes, like I said before, because I custom wrap and do stuff anyway, so I might just do that myself. But those wheels with this color in the interior, you guys tell me your thoughts, what y'all think about it. But this is just full blown what my car is going to look like. Actually, note without the wing. Let's actually take that wing off so I can show you guys without the wing. This is going to be mine's right here. This is what I'm looking for to build. And like I said before, we're going to do aftermarket wing and everything else like that. You tell me what you guys like. Do y'all like that color? Do you like the blue? I just, you know, I'm a blue person. I love blue. So just imagine it tinted up, you know, everything on there, different kind of wheels. So it got 19 in the front, 10 in the back. I mean 20 in the back. So this car looked pretty sharp. I like the way it looked. It looked good without the wing, with the wing. Just you guys just let me know, like, your comments below. Just like, do you like this spec? Do you would like to see me grab this? You know, support the channel. Links in the position down, links down below. Shirts and stuff is coming. But I have a build right now I'm doing with a Chevy Cobalt. That build be coming out. I'm showing a video on that. I'm actually going to try to drop that video sometime this week. But this right here, I just wanted to give this out because now you could, you know, spec out what you want, what you're looking for, and everything else. So I'm actually going to probably share this to myself or send this out so I can go, when I go in to go pick my car, I already have my full spec, what I'm looking for, what I'm, you know, what I have, what I want to get, and how much it's going to run me and everything else like that. So you guys let me know in the comment below. You think I should get this, or you think I should get the SRT Dodge Durango? I mean SRT Sky Pack Charger, or you think I should just you know, get a different car? Like, you guys let me know what y'all want to see on this channel. I'm just gonna get somebody. I like this car. This is something I always wanted to get, and I just feel like this channel will really grow nice on this car. But and option with a Dodge car. But thank you guys for watching. Like I said before, leave a comment, like, sub, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.